Yo, YouTube, I'm back with another video, and it is currently 8:09. Market closed around 1 p.m. earlier today. I was in the market doing some trading, made profit, lose profit, testing out strategies. I'm currently looking to make some profit right now with a strategy that I've been practicing for the last couple of days. Been working out in my favor, honestly. And early on today, I started out with $100. I've lost and I've gained, and I've also lost and I've gained. I do want to apologize for the background noises because when you live in a house full of black people, they tend to be loud. Bear with me. As of right now, I am in the E-mini Dow 50 cents and I am trading on a long trade. I just caught the market rejected off of the previous high over here, and it went down to solidifying red candlestick all the way down, broke all-time low, and now I'm looking to catch it and take profit right here because that's where the last liquidity line was at. You can see that with the candles with the long wicks that failed to complete right here. And the reason why I entered this trade is because of this big doji stick. Yes, it went all the way down, and at some point market was at like 200% or whatever. Now I'm looking to catch it on the uptrend so I can make some profit, and it seemed like that's what it's doing. And I'm gonna continue to ride the trade. I'm up $20, and like I said, I'm looking to take profit up here, and I'm just gonna continue. I'm up $25. I'm gonna put my stop loss. I'm gonna manage it. I don't want to lose too much profit. I'm gonna reach my goal and take profit right here. It is currently 8:11. I have a better understanding of the market, and now I'm now looking to make profit on the market. Now it seems like right here I might get stop loss, which I'm not worried about. I'm still making profit. Originally looking forward to do. I'm gonna see to it that it reach my goal of taking profit up there. If that does end up happening, that'll be the longest profit I've had all day. This is a process that I enjoy doing, where I do a lot of research and implement it, practice it, and then here I am reaping the benefit of hard work. Like at the top, close to the doji, I don't want to lose all the money that I made. I'm up $50 now. I'm just gonna keep watching it. I believe market will continue to push on the upside, so I'm not worried, but I'm gonna keep my stop loss there. I'll take profit at that candlestick, which I don't mind at all. Stop filled. I made a total of $34, which I'm not mad about or anything. I'll take that, no problem. Performance, yep, $50, $55 in total today. Now I'm not gonna re-enter the trade. It's a good candlestick. I'm not sure if market will choose to go back to the negative side. I'm not gonna stick around and find out. I did the trade. Now if market does end up hitting that purple line, surpassing it, then yes, I will think about re-entering the trade, but that won't be the case. Look at this, a strong order of sell, and then the buy is completely going to the purple line. Now the reason that purple line is there, it's based on the 15, no, I think, no, no, it's not based on the 15-minute time. It's based on the 5-minute time frame. I put it based on of how much previous touches or how much previous liquidity that has happened around this area, and and I seen two, so I just decided to put it there. And then this purple line is based on how much fell of liquidity that happened, and I put how much touches that had to happen, and I seen several over here, several rejections and several over here, so I put it there. Surpass this purple line right here, or now I'm just gonna watch this play out, whether it will it go back down on the downside and I catch it from the downside. Early on today, I don't know what session it was, I believe it was still the European session, several candlesticks, big candlesticks. I missed the opportunity and I did my mistakes trade. This was a successful trade, this trade wasn't, this trade wasn't, this trade wasn't. Then I waited patiently and got me a successful trade right here. Then I thought, yeah, maybe why not just continue doing what I'm doing. I did, and I lost. I bought right here and I got out right here. I lost those trades. Then I bought right here and I got right here and I lost those trades. And I said, you know what, I'm gonna let the market be. I went to the gym, worked out, and I got back and I caught the market going down with a big candlestick on the 5-minute time frame right here. I was like, yo, this is an opportunity, let me catch that. Boom, caught it. I caught it, and I made let me see, my first trade, I made a total of $21 to get me back over $100. Then I took my second trade as soon as I started recording. So go back down here, market is up 40% off of what, you know, the line was down here. Another thing I learned is that when the market is closed, never put a trade in. That's when it starts, volume is so choppy and it's consolidating, you don't know what's happening. You don't want to get caught up in that. That's a taboo. And you definitely don't, unless you are like, as far as I'm concerned, and I've seen pro traders do it, unless you're like a professional and you're very good at what you're doing, you can trade in the time the market opens up, but that is a crazy taboo. Like, that is a bad taboo. As of right now, I'm just watching market structure, see what's going on. This candlestick does look healthy, but I don't trust it until it reaches this purple line that I've drawn right here. And this is the previous liquidity of the day, and this is the lowest and highest liquidity of the day. And then this is the zone, the key point levels, another key point level, then my lowest, and it broke the lowest. Grab what it needed to grab down here. Sadly, for those who were putting their stop loss or whatever, or traders, they were trying to do whatever they're doing, they lost money here. And I waited patiently and it came back up, formed a doji candlestick, and now it's on, and I caught it on the green side. Now it's on the green side. Now I'm gonna be waiting for it to retest that previous low key point of liquidity. If the candle proceeds to be green, I will continue to I will stick with it. I will see if it forms a green candlestick above on the purple line. If it does that, if that ends up happening, I will stick with it. The next candle that appears and it has no wick and it is a healthy green candle bar, I will enter the trade, and I will continue to see if it will ride up to this previous high, which that doesn't seem to be the case, but this looks like a double top and it went down on the downside, so I'm not sure. Usually double tops means that the market's on a reversal and then you got to catch it on the reverse side. You never want to trade against it, you always want to trade with market. Now I'm on the 30-minute time frame, and it seems like two big candlesticks. When I go onto the hour, it also seems like two red candlesticks, a big doji right here and a red candlesticks, and it looks like it's about to reverse. It did like its liquidity grab. Maybe I might come into hourly time frame and do my drawings, catch the previous touches. Yeah, maybe I might start doing that, catch the previous liquidity, because this is where the market came, the previous liquidity grabs, which was right here. That is a zone, and the previous high was right here. That is also a zone. So now I'm gonna go into the daily time frame. It's almost been a full 24-hour frame of a day. Now this looks like a doji candlestick. That means changes might be happening to the market, but it's not a fully complete doji. So we just gonna have to keep watching and see what happens. I'm gonna go back to the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, another doji candlestick is happening. So this purple line, that will be my like line of like, okay, boom, now that I see the key point level, what will be happening? Will you, yep, well, this is what I needed to see. So I need you to go back down and retest that red line, grab the liquidation that you need to grab. If you need to push all high down, push all high down. And right when I see another form of doji stick right here that is green or going onto the upside, I'm catching that trade to the upside and making profit. I will stick with it. Okay, so boom, market pushed up a strong candlestick onto the upside. It could have went down, it could have went up. Now it's looking like it's pushing to the upside. Hey, I'm waiting for that next candlestick, Papa. The moment I see that next candlestick, I can put in my order in for buy and see what happens, but let's wait for that confirmation. I need that candlestick to have no type of wick and a strong, healthy candlestick, and I will enter the trade for success. I'm gonna go see and check out what's happening in a 1-minute time frame. Yep, this looks good to me. I'm gonna go ahead and extend this purple line, and I'm gonna go ahead and extend this purple line right here. I'm not making this no complicated as it needs to be. The trade, it's looking to be successful. It had a little hiccup right there with a doji. Okay, we gonna head back to the 5-minute time frame to see what's going on. You get a better understanding of the situation. We could also go back to the 15-minute time frame to get a better. Okay, so look right here on the 50-minute time frame, it looks like it's trying to do a liquidation grab. For those who enter the trade, it's doing this liquidation grab, and maybe it will go back down to the downside. And this candle right here was coming down fastly. Yo, I seen, I was like, I don't like the sound of this. As soon as it went all the way down, I didn't even look at the profit. I just hit this exit at sales market. Boom, ASAP. Nah, I'm not playing about that. Money's at the hand. So we just gonna have to see. Okay, so boom, it falls short of the purple line, the previous liquidity grab over here. This would be considered the liquidity grab. I forgot what would this be considered, and I want to see if it will push up and become a next healthy candlestick. 1-minute time frame, it doesn't seem like it's the case, so we just gonna have to see. I highly doubt that. If it passes this candlestick right here, then it will for sure be a sell down back to the red line, and probably will try to break all-time low again, because earlier this morning it did break all-time high, not once, not twice. Yeah, actually twice. Actually, if it does break again, then unfortunately that's just how it went through. It's currently 8:31. I made $55 in one trade, just trading futures.
1 hour later.
And now I'm just scoping out the scenes in the market.
2 hours later.
The market looks like the market has completely consolidated, or no volume because of nighttime. So I will end the video right here and say that I had a successful trade. At the end of the day, made $55 within this time span of 11 minutes and 55 seconds. You could see it right here. And thank you for watching.